Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we will learn about how to design the table using HTML tag. So let's start the video. So to design the table using HTML we use the tag table. So we all know table consists of column as well as rows. So basically first row consists of headings. Like suppose I am giving you the example of the college and students. So the first row, or you can say students information. So my first row heading will consist of name, roll number, course and marks. So how to give the headings? So first we will use how to create first we will see how to create the rows. So I will use the tag for creating the row as tr. Inside tr I will use the tag th, that is table heading. So my first heading is name. Now similarly I will give my second heading as roll number, and my third heading will be course, and my fourth heading will be marks. So after the headings, we will start inserting the data inside the headings. So my first data will be how to insert data inside the tables. So we will use again a tr, that is table row. But instead of th, we will use td, table data, as now we are going to insert data inside the table headings. So we will use the tag td, and in name, instead of name we will write here the name of the student. So I will write Manoj. Now similarly for roll number, again I will use the tag td as I am inserting the data, and give the roll number 1. Again td, and I will mention the course it. Again the td. So td and marks 92. Now I will do is copy this syntax one more time for next row. Control V, and I will just clear the space. Instead of Manoj, I will write other name. Two and 99. And suppose I have to, in table portion I have to give the color of the table borders, and I have to create the borders. So what I will do, inside table I will write border, and I will mention the size. Suppose I will give it 10, and suppose I have to give the color for the border. So what I will do, border color equal to uh, green. Now suppose I have to mention the size of the cell. So what I will do, cell padding means size of the cell I am mentioning. So I will just give it 10. Now suppose I have to give background color uh, for the table. So I will use bg color equal to yellow. And now suppose I have to give the cell spacing, means space between the two different cells. So I will use cell spacing equal to 2. I will show you where the spacing is been given in the after the output is been displayed. Then I will give the height and width of the tables cell. So here I will mention 300 and equal to 500. So basically cell padding varies by height and width also. So let's see the output. Control S. I will just go and run this. So you can see here my table has been displayed. Now let me explain you properly the function of this. So we have given the border as 10. So you can see here border has been 10, and I have mentioned border color as green. So you can see the border color is green. Then cell padding equal to 10, that is cell size. So basically this is cell padding, that is cell size. Then after that bg color, any background color yellow, so you can see the table's background color is yellow. Then cell spacing equal to 2, so you can see here the space between the two cells, this is called cell spacing. So if I increase the cell spacing, so you can see there will be lot of increase between them. So I will do give it 10. Control S. I will again go and run it. So you can see the cell spacing between the two cell has been increased. Similarly, height and width of that is the cell's height and width. So thanks for watching my video. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel, and in next video I will explain you how to divide the table into two parts. Thank you.